In the name of Almighty Allah, so today we will discuss lecture number 30 and I have collected all these vocabulary from Dawn newspaper. So first of all, an opinion which was published in Dawn, A License to Death, written by Zahid Hussain. So the first one is impunity and its meaning is freedom from punishment, harm or loss. Istishna, next one, backlash. So strong public reaction against something. Next one, mutilated, to cause severe damage to the body of person or animal. Next one, eulogized, praise firmly and eloquently. Next one, daredevil. So its meaning is overconfident, overbold, reckless. Next one, notoriety, the condition of being famous for something bad. Next one, defiance, so disobedience, defy, unruliness, rebellion. Next one, hallmark, so distinctive characteristics or attribute. Next one, alienated, to make unfriendly, alien, estranged, disaffect. Next one, writ, so a legal document from a court ordering someone to do something. Next one, perpetrated, so perform, carry out or commit. Next one, weighing, so competing, contending. Next one, semblance, so the meaning of semblance is appearance, show, approximation. Next one, flamboyance, so the quality of being bright, colorful, very noticeable. Next one, patronage, so the meaning of patronage is sarparasti. Next one, now the definition of patronage, so granting favors or giving contract or making appointment to office in return for political support. So this is called patronage in politics. Next one, demonization. So demonization, shaitaniyat, to represent as diabolically evil or just as a devil. Next one, coerce, so its meaning is compel, force, to compel someone to do something. Next one, and another opinion which was written by Rafia Zakaria in West in Pakistan. The first one is glean, so the meaning of glean is gather, obtain, collect, get, to take. Next one, circumvent, so the meaning of circumvent is to avoid, beat, beat through cleverness and wit. Next one, inscrutability, so the quality of being impossible to investigate. Next one, concord, so its meaning is agreement, mutabikat. Meretricious, so its meaning is misleading, bogus, showy. Next one, condone, so the meaning of condone is tolerate. Next one, piquant, so the meaning of piquant is having spicy taste or appetizing flavor. Next one, get, so the meaning of get is manner of moving a person or manner of walking. Next one, congenial, so the meaning of congenial is friendly. Next one, consummate, so extremely good, complete. And the last one is gusto, so vigorous and enthusiastic enjoyment. So it's all for today, and if you people have any questions, so ask in comment section. At the end I will suggest a famous book of essays which was written by Francis Bacon, selected essays, and I have completed almost half a book. Inshallah, I have a plan that in next lecture I will make lectures on these essays. but I found this book very interesting, quite knowledgeable, and so this is a famous book and it is recommended for all CSS and PMS students to study this, to boost your vocabulary, to amplify your expression and many more. So thank you and best of luck.